Jeff Bezos is one of the most powerful American business magnates, media proprietors, and investors. The world's most successful business tycoon, Jeff did not become a multi-billionaire in just one day. It took him years to do so. But today, we are going to share the 4 money moves that made him rich. If you want to improve your finances and life in general, it's important that you start right away. When Jeff quit his job and started Amazon, he already knew he had to do something innovative that would be beneficial for him in the future. He started working on his plan the day he quit Amazon. And you can do the same, but you need some motivation, and that's where his other money moves come in. So make sure you stay with us until the end of the video. Hello and welcome to our channel, Mentored. We are back with another amazing topic, and today we are going to share 4 money moves that made Jeff Bezos rich. So stick around until the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing videos. If you don't find them helpful, you can always change your mind later. Jeff Bezos' next rule for money is to take risks on what you believe in. Everything we do is a risk, and if you don't take the opportunity, you will definitely regret it. So do it even if there's only a 1% chance that you are going to succeed, because you just might. Many doors will open with the opportunity to get what you always dreamed of. Jeff Bezos once said, "I think one of the precursors of being able to take risks is to have some kind of support from somebody. You have to have some mentors. You have to have somebody that loves you. These are the kind of things that build up and allow you to jump off into uncharted territory and do something new, because you know you have a support system." Jeff Bezos' life advice is to spend time with people who are better than you, because they are the ones who will help you grow and teach you some of life's greatest lessons. Next, we are going to discuss Jeff Bezos' pro move, which is investing more than you spend. Is investing more valuable than doing business? The most amazing moves for money are yet to come. According to Jeff Bezos, you should invest in yourself and things that you love. Investing in yourself helps you become the best version of yourself. Since the beginning of Amazon, he has continued to invest in it in order for it to grow. He purchased companies which would benefit Amazon's services, and he also invested in technologies that he thought would benefit mankind. He funds a space exploration company called Blue Origin and an organization called the Bezos Earth Fund to fight climate change. So, you should try to generate money and keep it aside for unexpected situations. Even $1 saved and invested could benefit you in the future. That's all for today, guys. What do you think about today's video? Share with us in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel to learn new ways to become a better version of yourself. Thanks for watching.